Guys, what's going on? It's Michael here today, and today I'm going to do a review and just an overlook of my 2018 Kawasaki Z125 PRO. I bought this bike brand new, completely stock from a Kawasaki dealership near me. And my goal with the bike for a while was just keep it stock. I use it as my daily rider besides my car. And the past about month I've bought a bunch of little pieces for the bike to modify it. Started off in the front. The whole kit is a Mojo Customs kit. So the front kit is the 2-inch drop they have from them. It's about 1.75 inches. I have yet to lower the front forks. You can actually slide the front fork tubes down. And then on the rear, we have their 4.5 inch drop kit, as you can see there. So that's their 4.5 inch drop kit. We do have the Vegabond Fender Eliminator kit. I am still using the stock OEM turn signals for the rear. I do like this kit. It's super high quality. It is CNC machined aluminum, as you guys can see. Everything mounts up super clean. I do like that. For me, when I was looking at kits, it was one of the nicest ones that I personally was my favorite. So besides the lowering kit, it's about 2 inches in the front, 4.5 in the rear. We are also using the Mojo Customs stretch kit. This is their 4 to 6 inch stretch kit. I haven't actually measured the exact amount, but I want to say I set it about 4.5 to 5 inches. So it definitely gives the bike a much more aggressive look, and everybody that's given me feedback so far said that it basically looks like a much bigger bike than what it previously did. So if you guys can just kind of see how it looks in the camera there, and I'll just walk around the bike here. We do have a this is the if I'm not mistaken, it's the MK chain. It's their gold chain. This is like a dirt bike racing series chain. Super happy with it so far. It's really nice. And yeah, I went with the gold because my forks are gold, and the chain still does have like that white kind of I guess chain loop they put on it from the factory. I do plan on removing that though down the road just to clean it. So, but you guys can see the chain there. Now, as far as the actual bars, we do have, again, these are the Mojo Custom CNC bars. These are their race bars. Really nice. I want to say they're pretty much identical, if I'm not mistaken, to the Capimoso or the, however you say that, bars. The only reason I didn't get the Capimoso ones is that they're a little bit more in price. These were about 30 bucks cheaper from what I saw, and they look identical. Super nice. Again, really happy with the quality of them, as you guys can see. Just super clear. But yeah, those are the bars. And then on the front, we do have, I just put these on a few days ago, we have the TST Industries LED turn signals. I really do like those. They give the bike a nice look. These are the smoked options. They do have the clear options if you guys want to go clear. The only reason I went with smoked is I do plan on probably doing something with a headlight down the road, so I wanted that to kind of match. But if you guys will give you guys a nice look on the front here. Make sure we're all focused. Alright, so next thing is we do have the Zoom loop exhaust for the bike. This is a full exhaust system. I got a really good deal on this, so that's one of the main reasons that I purchased it. I'm super happy with how this came out. I really like it. It definitely gives the bike a much more aggressive sound. You can see it's a lot bigger too than the stock piping. So if you guys are curious, the stock piping is, I don't even know what size it is, but it's super small, and this piping is a bit larger. The O2 sensor screws right into it, so you don't have to worry about going messing around with that. And if you guys can see there where the O2 sensor is, the O2 sensor is right there. So yeah, it's pretty simple. But yeah, that's pretty much the overview of the bike. Let me start it up real quick for you guys. This bike has about 2,200 miles on it. You guys can see in the display there, I don't know if it's picking it up, but I have 2,156 miles. So yeah, it's pretty loud. Yeah, so if you guys are looking for something to be really obnoxious, this is a loud exhaust. It sounds super refined though. It's not like super raspy. It also isn't like, it doesn't really give you that lawnmower sound. From what I have found, like in videos, I don't know how well this camera's gonna pick it up, but from videos, like it does sound like kind of a lawnmower, but actually in person it's super deep, and it's super just clean. But it is loud, I will say that. It is very, very loud. So if you guys don't want something that's extremely loud, this might not be the best option. But there is a spark resistor you can put in, or some type of silencer that you can put in to quiet it down a little bit. So I may look into that down the road, just because it is, you know, it is a little loud, and if you guys are going on long rides, that sort of thing, you know, it could bother you after a little bit. But I like it though. So, but that's pretty much my quick overlook on my 2018 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. If you guys are in the market for one of these bikes, I highly recommend taking a look at them. This or the Grom. They're great bikes. They're fun little bikes just to screw around on. You can have a lot of fun on these things. So if you guys are talking crap about them, you've never ridden one, go ride one. That's all I say. I'm a bigger guy. I'm 6'2", about 230 pounds, 240 pounds. And I have so much fun on this thing. It's great for cruising around town. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments.